Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. It's 2022 and I am so excited to be here for another edition of the Weekly Pointers News Update. Before we get started, as always, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video if you find it entertaining or helpful. And if you are a fan of receiving the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, finance, and everything in between delivered in a fun, fast-paced format, then watch as the subscribe button and the notification bell race on foot to win at Talladega. We're starting off the new year. We've got a lot of great stuff planned for the channel in the upcoming year, but you are here for the Weekly Pointers News Update. And for those of you that have never seen these episodes before, let me explain what they are. Along with the videos that I put out on the channel throughout the week, every Sunday evening I put out the Weekly Pointers News Update. And essentially all I do is try to catch you up on all the news you may have missed regarding the topics that I just mentioned a little bit earlier. It is super simple to follow along with this news update. All you have to do is look on one side of the screen. You'll see the topics I will be covering. The current topic will be highlighted and there will be a timer down below. There will also be chapters down in the description below so you can skip ahead as well. And the idea for these Sunday night videos is to basically catch you up on the news that you may have missed through normal media outlets, okay? There's a lot of news that gets kind of glossed over behind the bigger headlines of the week. So I want to tie a nice bow on your week, catch you up on everything, and I say we just get going. Let's start off with a little bit of bad news, okay? I want to get this out of the way quickly. The CDC is recommending that you do not get on a cruise ship this year, okay? They've moved the threat level from level 3 to level 4 for traveling via cruise ship. What that means, I have no idea, but it's based on the Omicron variant and the fact that it's very contagious. A lot of these cruise ships have seen people get infected and then spread it all across the ship. And this is regardless of vaccination status as well. If you're familiar with the cruise industry right now, you know they're checking vaccination status before you get on the ship in most cases. So now it doesn't even matter. They're saying avoid it altogether. Let me make one thing clear though. They're not saying that cruises are banned. They're basically just telling people, hey, this is a really bad idea. All right, let me jump up on my soapbox for a second, all right? We've been told for months, even over a year now, that if you get the vaccine, everything is going to be okay. You can go live your life, do what you want to do. And now that's not the case even if you're vaccinated. At some point, we're either going to have to learn to live with this thing or we're going to be in this constant state of flux where we're fluctuating between level 3 and level 4 threat. Whatever the hell that means, it makes no difference. So if you want people to live their lives and do things and incentivize people to get a vaccine, you have to let them be able to live their lives at some point. Otherwise, what's the point of it all? Soapbox complete. Anyway, we'll keep you up to date on the cruise industry as we keep going, but let me know your thoughts on this, all right? I know it's a controversial topic, and I don't want to get political in this at all, so any comments that are talking about political candidates or anything like that, it's not really going to help anything. You're not changing anybody's mind. Just let me know what you think about the CDC's recommendation to not go on cruise ships, okay? Are you going to go on a cruise this year? Is this making you rethink your cruise plans, or do you think it's a bad idea to go on a cruise ship altogether? All suggestions are welcome down in the comments. We don't discriminate. Let us know what you think. If you are approved for a Target Red credit card or debit card, you can receive $40 off your next purchase of $40. All right, this deal runs from January 2nd through January 15th, so essentially you're getting a free shopping trip through Target. The big question you may have is, does the Target Red credit card or debit card show up on your credit report as a hard pull? For the credit card, yes. For the debit card, no. So if you just want to go the debit card route, you can certainly do that. Not worry about your 524 status or having a hard pull on your credit. It won't show up in that way, and you'll still be able to take advantage of the $40 off a future purchase of $40 at Target. I'm not a big fan of store credit cards just in general. I mean, there may be one or two here and there that I like, but this Target card, it's fine, but it doesn't do anything outstanding. There are other cards that I think would go in your wallet first before I would get a Target credit card, especially since it shows up as a hard pull on your credit. So if it's me, I will take advantage of this $40 sign up on the Target Red Card debit card, but I won't be looking at the credit card at all. Let me know what you want to do. Do you have one of the Target Red cards right now? Do you have the credit or the debit card? What's your most useful case for it? Let me know what you think down in the comments. This next bit of news is kind of cool. I'm a tech nerd, I'm a tech guy, I love nerdy things, and this is pretty neat. There's a new product called AirCard that will be coming out in early 2022. If you're familiar with Apple AirTags or Tile, for example, you basically attach these little bitty pieces of tech to whatever you don't want to lose. For example, a set of keys, right? You can attach these tags to your set of keys, and then you can use your phone to be able to track down where those items may be based on the fact that they're tied to this little piece of technology attached to them. So now there's a new product called AirCard that will be arriving, and AirCard is the thickness of 2 credit cards, and it slides into your wallet. So if you've ever been concerned about losing your wallet and not knowing where it is, you're freaking out, you can slide this credit card sized card into your wallet and be able to track it down. Now this is a lot different than the Apple AirTags, for example, that are this rounded kind of fatter shape that don't really fit inside a wallet. I think they're made more for keys and for luggage. The real critical feature of this product, I think, is that AirCard is going to work with the Find My app with your iPhone. So if you just lose your wallet for whatever reason, you open up the Find My app and you're able to track it down very, very easily. Let me know down in the comments, do you want me to snag one of these and do an unboxing and honest review for you? I'll certainly do it. You know from watching this channel, if I don't like something, I'm going to tell you all about it. And I'll be happy to do that. Let me know if you want to see it in action, and I'm kind of curious to test it out myself. I do wish it was a little bit thinner, but one thing I do want to check on, right? It says it's the thickness of about 2 credit cards. Are they talking about a platinum metal card, or are they talking a flimsy card like a Blue Business Plus or an American Express green card, right? That's a big difference if you multiply those by 2. So I'm curious to get this in myself just to see how thick it actually is. I wish it was thinner, but hey, it's technology, it's always making progress. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Chase has extended the DashPass benefit for most card holders. All right, if you're a Chase card holder now, you probably have some sort of DashPass benefit. The DashPass benefit has been extended because it was due to expire at the end of 2021. However, they have extended the enrollment period to March 31st of 2022, and who knows, that may keep getting extended, I don't know. The DashPass benefit gives you unlimited deliveries and $0 delivery fees, and it also has reduced service fees for orders over $12. So this is a good benefit. I'm glad they're extending the window on this because a lot of people use this, including myself. So keep that in mind, that has been extended. The other piece of Chase news that I do want to mention as well, it's a new year, it's a new quarter, and as you're aware, there's a new set of categories for the Chase Freedom Flex card. So make sure you activate your categories for Q1. Those are grocery and eBay purchases, all right? So make sure you activate those before you go to the grocery store to start the new year. I'm sure you need to restock your refrigerators after all those New Year's Eve parties, right? I'm assuming. So make sure you activate those offers before you go out and replenish your supplies. And if you're familiar with the Weekly Pointers news update, you know that I like to end the show on a really good food deal, and this week is no exception. And this time we're talking about Cinnabon, all right? You can find a Cinnabon in pretty much every airport. I feel like I see them all over the place. Not literally every airport, but I feel like I see them there all the time. They are offering 4 free Bon Bites when you sign up for Club Cinnabon through their app. All right, so if you need to get your cinnamon roll fix on and you need some free food, sign up for Club Cinnabon. It sounds like a cool place, right? It sounds like a nightclub or something. I don't know, maybe it doesn't. But it sounds cool, it's free food, you can thank me later. Let me know what you think about the news I covered today. Does the CDC news make you rethink any of your cruising plans now or in the future? What are your thoughts on the new AirCard, the news with Chase? Are you gonna take advantage of these free cinnamon rolls? And if you have or are planning to get the Target Red debit card or credit card, let people know down in the comments why you're choosing to do that or why you already have it. Keep in mind we have a lot of new people that are getting into points and miles that would like to hear the rationale behind why people are making certain decisions. So anything you can leave down in the comments will help somebody else, trust me. If you found this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification. I've said this 1,000 times, why can't I get it now? If you found this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications for alerts. And when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, click, click. It's going to be time to check in on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, cinnamon rolls, and everything in between. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. We'll see you soon.